Although this year I have a broken heart, it gives me hope and joy as I remember where you are. You're with the Son of God, you're with the Prince of Peace, you're with the one we're celebrating, and that thought amazes me. Sometimes I still break down, grieving that we're apart, but the sweetest gift is knowing where you are, 'cause you're with the Son of God.